what I got. Woohoo! New tires. Let's get these mounted. One down. Got it all balanced. One to go. And it's only 8:05 p.m. Yeah. Hopefully you can see me. If not, turn the light on. Yeah, Sunday morning, going to get ready to go to Mokan. Actually, only going to be up there one day. Saturday, pretty busy around the house. Heard it was off the chart there at Mokan on Saturday. Sorry, could not make it. Had some things I just had to get done. Anyway, more importantly, my tires. They did not come in until Saturday, so I was not going to go up there until I got a good set of tires. So if you look at my other video, you can see why. But anyway, I'm actually at Quick Trip here this morning. Oop, I don't know if I can say that or not, but I did. Had to get gas, get some money. We had a very late last night to get the car ready to go. So right now the car is ready to go. I'm getting ready to go back to the house, get the car, all the stuff loaded, fuel and all that stuff. It's about 6:20 right now. Yeah, still dark out here. So anyway, let's get to the shop there and get things hooked up and get Pops too. He should getting things ready this morning as well. So we're trying to get on the road here a little after 7. And guess what? Get to our famous stop. You know what that is. But anyway, let's get started. Been having camera issues. What is it, Sunday morning? As you can tell, it's still kind of, I guess the sun's not quite up just yet, but it's coming up. Anyway, off to Mokan we go. And this is just a fun weekend. No points for this weekend. It's strictly a one-day race for us. So anyway, I'm going to be entering both classes, Super Pro in, no E. So anyway, and guess who I have here this morning? Yes, your pleasure to have. So anyway, sleep. Yeah, we had a late night. So anyway, with that, off we go and make our breakfast stop. And I guess you guys know where that's going to be. So here we go.
Get that big bag.
That's a small bag. Has big taste in it. Yep. Breakfast. Right over there. See that sign there? Yep. Sonic. Time to eat some burritos. Okay, next stop, Mokan. Here we go. Well, guess what? We made it. There's how busy they are. It looked like they were pretty still packed in there. Where all the sportsmen are parked right now. I'm sure we'll find a spot here somewhere. So let's get in there and get parked and see where we end up. Okay, now we're all ready to go. We had some battery issues, not charging or something like that. Anyway, I think the charger just wasn't charging the battery. Anyway, it's going good now. But yeah, it'll be a fun day. So anyway, here we go. Okay, we got Q1 in the books. New tires are working really good. It's pretty consistent, 144.5 and 145.23. Cars running pretty consistent, 670 and a 671, left lane, right lane. So still working on my reactions. It's going to come around. So I think 31 light, 49 light. So anyway, beautiful day here in Mokan. Temperature's about 80 something right now, maybe. So, but yeah, car's running good. Just if we can get these lights better, I think we can go some rounds. So anyway, on to round 2 qualifying coming up. Okay, qualifying is over. Get ready to go to eliminations. The track is getting slower, or the car actually getting slower, but that's just due to the hotness that's out here today. Track's getting heated up. Last pass, the Super Pro, we slowed down quite a bit. I think the car got on the warm side, went to check, and we were really down on water, so our car did get pretty hot. So anyway, we got more water added to it. Not too sure where all the water went, but we got it all taken care of. I think we're good to go, but we'll check it through the race, see what happens. So anyway, with that, on to round one for both classes. Okay, round one. Don't know if I put this down or not. Yeah, both yellows again. Not having a good weekend at all. Then round two, no E. That's right, another yellow. I didn't buy back Super Pro for round two. Just not having a good weekend. Didn't want to buy back and get my butt kicked again. But anyway, it's just one of those weekends. I'm just in a slump and I just can't get out of it right now. The reaction's starting to suck right now. So anyway, that's it for me for this weekend. We have a race here in a couple weeks. It's a 2-day race weekend, so hope I get my act together by then.